Now, let us discuss about atmospheric pressure. So, see here, first we should know what is atmosphere. So, the gaseous envelope surrounding the earth is called atmosphere, which contains many gases like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, etc. Now, see here, if you want to define pressure at any point in the atmosphere, suppose this is a ground and you want to define pressure at this point A due to atmosphere. You know, above this point atmosphere is extending to the top of the atmosphere. So, in this case assume vertical air column of unit cross sectional area. So, the weight of the vertical air column of unit cross sectional area is equal to the pressure exerted at that point A by the atmosphere. So, atmosphere exert pressure on the body placed on the surface of the earth, and now we have to calculate atmospheric pressure. So, see here, we can calculate atmospheric pressure by using Torricelli's experiment.